Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, when you don't know, you don't know. With the energy where we are trying generate, it's like you don't know. We now make it seem like a pipe dream. You see, we can't. People make it seem like a pipe dream, and them things that's what we do from time to time is bring across some evidence and them thing there. We relate the evidence to each and every one where people can, you know what I say? Relate and know how things and see how things could have be different. You know, see it? So once again, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see, and I give thanks to all of the elders that come through on the angle of business before I and I. You know, see, all of the man will be the pressure and the burden for I and I can there, so I regurgitate the concept and I give thanks. You know, see, welcome to all viewers and subscribers. See, mad love for you. Don't know. See, you know, enough love for you, big love for you, yeah. Love everlastingly, yeah, something like that for you. You know, see, yeah. So today we are going to talk about a rapper in London. See, second generation Jamaican. That would come as an insult to him if you hear this. You know, see, go come as an insult, you never know. See, but it's a rapper named GIGGS. See, none of you might have or might not have heard about GIGGS. Anyway, I read from him Wikipedia thing. See, yeah, Wikipedia. You know, sometimes Wikipedia might not be accurate. I've never read it before, so I don't know anything woke up at night or might not agree with or I not like. Well, I'll just explain. See, so anyway, Nathaniel Thompson, born 11th of May 1983, better known professionally as GIGGS, is an English rapper and songwriter from Peckham, London. He released his debut studio album, Walk in the Park, in 2008, and released a follow-up album, Let Them Have It, the following year. GIGGS released his third studio album, When Will It Stop, in October 2013. In 2016, GIGGS released his fourth album, Landlord, which entered and peaked at number 2 on the UK albums chart, becoming the highest charting album of his career. His mixtape, What Happened to Them? See, What Happened to Them was released in 2017 and also debuted at number 2. His latest album, Big Bad, was released in 2019. GIGGS is also the frontman and founder of record label and rap collective SN1 Spare Number 1, which includes Gunna D, Joe Grind, Kai's, and Tiny Boost. While sometimes referred to as a grime artist, GIGGS has repeatedly stated the music he makes is not grime, but rather falls under the UK rap umbrella. Raised by Jamaican parents, GIGGS was a DJ in Peckham, predominantly playing reggae, ragga, and bashment. He also had his own radio station called Spear No 1 FM. Also deciding to pursue a music career, he released numerous mixtapes, including Hollow Man Meets Blade, which featured Blade Brown, Welcome to Boomville, Best of GIGGS, 1 and 2 and 3, and Are Bodied, which featured dubs. His mixtapes have supposedly sold more than 10,000 units. This success helped his popularity expand outside London. In 2017, GIGGS released the track Talking the Hardest, which features GIGGS rapping over the instrumental of Status Quo song, Here We Go, originally produced by Dr. J. Talking the Hardest was later certified silver after it was officially released. In 2008, he released his debut album, Walk in the Park, independently. This album helped GIGGS' popularity expand outside London, and in 2008, he was nominated for the BET Awards in the US for the Best Hip Hop Act UK GIGGS won the award, beating out most established acts at the time, 2009 to 2012. To, no, 2009, 2012, let them have it. In August 2009, GIGGS signed a record deal with Excel Recording. GIGGS release Let Them Have It in 2009, and singles released from that album include Slow Songs featuring Mike Skinner, Look What the Cat Dragged In, and Don't Go There, featuring American rapper B.O.B. at the Reading Festival, at the Reading Festival in, featuring American rapper B.O.B. Okay. At the Reading Festival 2010, GIGGS appeared on BBC Three, which was his first television appearance, performing his single Look What the Cat Dragged In. That year, he also appeared on Tinchy Strider's single Game Over alongside Chipmunk, Devlin Example, Tiny Temper, and Professor Green. The single charted at number 21 in the UK, in the official UK singles chart. This year, he was nominated at the Mobo Awards in the Best UK Hip Hop Grime category. He was then nominated again for the same award in 2011. See? So, these are some of the successes of GIGGS, but without langing out the thing, because I can't go read them Wikipedia. I'm going to read them legal issues now. See? GIGGS was convicted for possession of a firearm in 2003 and sentenced to 2 years, 8 months in prison. In February 2012, police searched a car GIGGS was in and found an illegal firearm. GIGGS spent 6 months remanded in custody, despite the driver admitting owning the gun. As police accused GIGGS of being aware of the firearm, GIGGS was acquitted on all charges. GIGGS often experienced venues cancelling GIGGS often experienced venues cancelling event he was scheduled to appear at mere hours before the performance. GIGGS was dropped as support act for Lil Wayne before in 2006, before a 2006 tour without explanation. These incidents have been linked to actions of the Metropolitan Police Service, who have been said to have specifically targeted GIGGS. GIGGS believe that they must have called the venues and threatened them with taking away their license. In 2010, he said that every single thing I do that's supposed to be positive, they F up for me. In 2013, he stated, I don't want to get caught up in whose fault it is or whether the police are after me. I'm just happy to be making music again. In 2009, the Metropolitan Police wrote to XL strongly advising the label not to sign GIGGS. Though they did so anyway, a 2010 tour planned by GIGGS was cancelled due to police warning. In 2013, GIGGS' London performance of Material from When Will It Stop was cancelled by police. After they have given him the go-ahead, GIGGS responded in a video publicly apologizing to fans, reimbursing them for tickets, and sarcastically praising the police attempt to slow him down. You understand me? Now, from my experience and my explanation in some recent video, this is true. This is very, very true. You know, see, the police has played major roles a lot of time in oppressing the progress of any black individual's development, or the black community development. The police has played a pivotal role right up to the time. You know, see, because if you look on the man early history, as you can see, also, yeah, them get sentenced for a gun and things like that. But him come back out, see, and I focus him energy in some positive area. See, you're born and grow somewhere, and that's the same place the resource there for enhance your talent, see, and grow yourself to a different position, a different focus in a life. See, you're guilty by association anyway. See, because you can't pass and not say hi. See, and them type of people support your art. You get what I say? Where you are going to shut yourself in your foot and not become who you are today. You get what I say? Now, from our leaders, see, and people in oppression. See? You see, if them have any vision, them would have did basically highlight and try to push and promote and keep you in the limelight so that you get some values to yourself. You understand what I say? At least show you some. I saw it used to go back in the day. You see, especially in Jamaica, when certain governmental entity did mean something to the people. You see, them find so you have certain talent, them come for you and invest in it, develop on it, give you responsibility, give you a role, give you credit, so that you yourself feel relevant, self-esteem gone way up, confidence gone way up. Seeing GIGGS was robbed of that systematically and institutionally. Seeing, and it even seems to be doing so today, but not doing so well anyway, because you don't know, once you pass certain threshold, your self-defense options become more, you become stronger. See, if you want a lesser pretty words. See, but GIGGS and them youth there is perfect example at the same struggle and stress with Jamaicans and Jamaican artists I go through. Even GIGGS struggle more wickeder than for them one, as you can see. Yes, GIGGS get caught with a gun. See, in doing time for it, him come back. See, and more evidence that I for sure say him under police abuse or police targeting because the whole thing, rather than the powers that be try do anything to ensure him rehabilitation. And them thing that we are talking about, because it's not like saying the one side and not try. Him a rap right through it. You see the evidence showing on Wikipedia and then catalog. When you can see it, you see him did make an impression with other people from outside of England. Because when an England surplus and when look on it, I said, guys, it's an organization. If one not like you, none not gonna like you. You see, people from outside of England come and try and sign him and you hear the allegations. See it up on the internet, them not challenge it. If them think I wasn't real, them gonna take it down. See it. If them think I couldn't be proven, whether if them was real or not, if them couldn't be proven or not have the potential to be proven at some point in time, then would that force for you to take it down and it would have to come down. See it. So them think I know watch a story on YouTube quite a while back. See it. And the maddest thing about badness and them thing they in the interview, when they interviewer pressure GIGGS about them incident and the negative part I'm going, you can see it make him quite perturbed. Him never happy about that. Him actually tell the interviewer so I could talk about music. See it. Again, him know the history and the effect away, the subliminal effect where him talking about it might cause it. No matter how him emotion or sound, you gotta have youth out there where emulate him and glamorize it. We love him, admire him and glamorize it and might go emulate the badness and the black strong man, black king, no. The damage that can do. See, some demand better for himself and for him people out there listening. While him light him big spliff. See, which is something we admire and respect. I still admire it and respect and continue to admire it and respect to this day. See, so yeah, the man they have stronger fight from bigger institution with more resource. We can send all a girl come sleep with you and video it and them wait and publish it and nobody don't know say them and you struggle without even them lift a straw for hurt you. So when I say no doubt and know that I saw them thing they go. See, you have just Jamaica police to contend with and move on with. See, navigating yourself around that. See, as entertainer, we make money and we have prospect, I inspire people and I influence people, youth and things like that. And at them level of responsibility and insecurity that we have in regards to yourself. We can't left an illegal gun, we have a murder upon it and them thing there. See, the thing about that is that it's not beneficial. Them characteristics of them thing that not beneficial to the music we wanna suck from like vampire. Not to the island as a whole. Same people that we are supporting with them level of creation then. See, on the last on imagination, the world of last imagination. Nobody they've not use no. You never not sit down and spend no time with the tactics them we wanna try use for pulling a stunt. You see it? Because enough of them things are must stunt some man a pull. Them arrange and research the whole thing already and know what will be the ramification and the outcome of certain things, and them know so them can deal with it. You see it? I think them can deal with it. You see it? So, I them thing there with the pan, and when we have burned some people because, again, we have limited exposure and limited knowledge to certain things and experience outside our little circle with them more time. We have to come with a thing where people are mix up, start calling, we see it nowadays. You see it? Some are showing an object, man where handle them business in a high society, get wind up and caught up feed, do time feed, come back out and still under pressure and punishment from the police and still never falter along the way. You see it? Him goes a boom and continue him thing and grow to a degree right now where if you don't mind sharp, them man they could have some license gun somewhere where them shoot bird with and go fire gun more time upon them estate and all them thing there. Ride all two horse in them tweed jacket and them something there. You know what I say? Yeah. No. Oh, you want to tell me, say, Babylon never pick up that in him spirit from early out and know, say, I will need to do a put some effort in the youth here, you see it, and then even use him as an example to the rest of youth, them who might have think for go down the road where him did go down, you see it, psychologically then, you see it. I could get him certain way and give him a tweed jacket and a estate. See? Him a work for them, you know. A film talent I give him them. You know, see it. We just load avenue. You know, see it. We just load the way make him chart him course. You know, see, as a society, as a government, me attack, or as a police force. You know, see it. Allow him make him chart him course. You know, see it. We just don't try to be an obstacle in our course there. You know, see it. And then now we use him as a poster boy for what bad man really want. See? So really and truly youth don't have to do badness because the end result or the ambition is to get certain things and becomes a certain way, which is the same desire for the state for you know. So best no make no sense no threaten no existence with prison, hurt and injury, death and destruction and them things that you might as well just open up on a vocabulary and also channel some energy, you know, artistry, see, search out for talent and mind them thing there. You know, see, but in order to maintain the status quo and this inequality, you know, need for mind black people's intelligence, artistry, and them thing there. Because again, it all shows everything we want to say about black people are lie. You know, see, and further fortify, you know, stance by not creating and making legislation for protect black people from institutional racism and sit one side and laugh and make it happen and act like say, oh, I know we do it. Because there's nobody to be blamed, said, because there's no consequence for it. Only just make it look like say the building and the computer them in there do them own thing, the filing cabinet them just do what them want and do when them ready. You know, see it. So them thing that we observe and we see them little thing there, you know, see it, and we highlight them little thing there, and them thing they even go on, you know, see it. So youth and youth, yeah. Evidence a man walk one part and walk back another part and walk up, continue moving up. You know, see it. Man not have the principle and a gangster that fear step back. You know, see it. You know, see how the mafia them in New York do it. You can't even hear about them man there again and do nothing illegal. Not like them now and do it, but the people them have to watch them and see them at them same one. If you catch me drift. You know, see it. Yeah, man, the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, man. And I give thanks, man. Rastafari. You know, see it. Share, like, and subscribe. Blessed. Yes, sir.